Good morning, students. Today we are going to study geography, standard 10. Social science is one of the subject which you are going to study, which you are going to attain SSC board examination, in which you will find history, geography, political science. These are the three part. History and political science is part 1 and geography is part 2. 40 marks written paper and 10 internal marks are there. So 50 plus 50. So let's see geography. And this here geography is a comparative study between India and Brazil. It covers all the points between India and Brazil, similarity and differences. Total 9 lessons are there, and lesson number 1 is a field visit. This lesson we will study in the class because it need lot of interaction between the student and teacher. So we will study. It's a very interesting and in one of the very important lesson is lesson number 1, field visit, in which compulsory one big question comes. Lesson number 2 to lesson number 9 you will see location and extent, physiography and drainage, climate, natural vegetation and wildlife, population, human settlement, economy and occupation, tourism, transport and communication are the lessons which you are going to study, and we are going to study in this difference between the Brazil and difference between India. So we are going to study about India and Brazil. So lesson number 2, location and extent. You can see here map of India is given for activity. So when you study about the map, flag of India is given for activity. And if you see flag of India, Indian flag is horizontal tricolor in equal proportion. You can see the deep green, orange, saffron represents what? Courage and sacrifice. In center you will find white strip and Ashoka Chakra. It represents the peace and unity and truth. Peace, unity and truth. At the bottom you will find green, which represent the faith. You can find that many people live in India and have practiced different faith. And fertility, you can say here the lush green vegetation, and you will see that India is a major producer of food grains in the world. Some clues are given. If you can see over here, India is second largest populated country in the world. You will find after China, India ranks second. According to 2011, the Indian population was 121 crore and nearby 17% population of the world. India and China covers 35% population of the world. China ranks first. And if you want to see, the third one is America, USA, ranked third in population. Fourth is Indonesia, and the fifth largest populated nation is Brazil, which we are going to study in this syllabus throughout the year. The second important part, you will see that it is given here the famous for spices in the world, and you might be knowing that due to this spices only all the foreigners came to India and the Asian nation, and the colonialism and imperialism started. The third one is the most popular game in India is cricket. And now let's